Keeping your home clean doesn't have to mean cleaning all the time. Since adopting minimalism, my space stays tidy naturally, not because I'm perfect, but because my habits changed. Today, I'm sharing the simple, minimalist home habits that help keep my space clean with less effort. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Everything has a home. The biggest habit that changed everything? Every item has a designated place. When something doesn't have a home, it becomes clutter. Keys go in one spot, bags go in one spot, chargers, notebooks, and daily essentials all have a clear place. This one habit alone prevents mess before it even starts. Habit number 2. The 1-minute reset rule. If something takes less than 1 minute to put away, I do it immediately. Hanging up a jacket, putting a cup in the sink, returning a book to the shelf. Tiny actions done consistently keep clutter from piling up. Habit number 3. Clear surfaces daily. Clutter loves flat surfaces, tables, counters, desks. At the end of the day, I do a quick surface reset. I leave only what belongs there. Clear surfaces make a room feel instantly cleaner, even if nothing else changes. Habit number 4. Own less, clean less. Minimalism isn't about constant cleaning. It's about reducing what needs to be cleaned. Fewer clothes, less laundry, fewer dishes, quicker cleanup, fewer decor items, less dusting. Owning less makes cleanliness automatic. Habit number 5. A 10-minute evening reset. Before bed, I set a 10-minute timer. I walk through my space and reset it for the next day. No deep cleaning, just putting things back where they belong. Waking up to a tidy home feels peaceful and motivating. Habit number 6. Regular declutter check-ins. Every few weeks, I do a quick check-in. If something hasn't been used, loved, or needed, it's time to let it go. Minimalism is ongoing. Decluttering regularly prevents overwhelm later. A clean home isn't about perfection, it's about habits. Minimalist habits help your space stay calm, functional, and easy to maintain. If you want more simple living and home minimalism content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.